Today's recipe is Masala Muli or Mulor Chchori. It's a traditional Bengali vegetable delight, rich in minerals and fiber. Radishes are good source of vitamins and minerals like calcium and phosphorus, and thus it reduces high blood pressure and risk of heart disease. Masala Muli or Mulor Chchori, when served with piping hot rice, it is highly satisfying. You can also serve it with roti or paratha. So without further delay, let's begin with the recipe. For this recipe, I have taken 2 medium-sized radish and 2 medium-sized potatoes cut into thick slices and 6 to 7 green chilies. I give a healthier twist to this recipe by adding sesame seeds, which is rich in calcium. You can also use poppy seeds instead. Now make a paste out of 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of black and white mustard seeds, green chilies, a pinch of salt and little amount of water. Don't forget to add salt at this stage, otherwise the paste would turn bitter in taste. For this recipe, take a heavy bottom pan or a karhai. Add in 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil gets heated, I am adding in 1 dried red chili and half teaspoon of onion seeds, also called kalonji or kalo jeera. It's a quick recipe and can be prepared with minimal use of spices. Into the hot oil, I am adding in potato slices one by one. Give it a good mix and fry on high flame for 1 minute. Now adding in radishes, mix it well and fry on high flame for 5 minutes till it turns light golden. Proper sorting of the veggies with the spices adds extra flavor to this recipe. Once it turns golden, add in turmeric powder, mix it well and fry till the raw smell goes off. Try to saute the veggies on medium to high flame. Now adding in required amount of salt, and to balance the taste, also adding in sugar. You can use jaggery instead. Mix it well and fry it for more 2 minutes. Now add in required amount of water, about 1.5 cup of water. Do not use excess water, as overcooking vegetables may lead to loss of nutrients and flavor. Now give it a good mix, cover and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. After 15 minutes, open the lid and let's check the veggies are well cooked and soft enough. Now add in the mustard paste. Now mix it well and cook it on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Also adding in 2 to 3 green chilies for flavors. Now cover and cook it for more 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and let's check the consistency. Stirring it from time to time. Cook it for more few minutes till it turns a thicker one and the raw smell of the masalas goes off completely. Once it is done, turn off the flame. Lastly, adding in 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. Give it a good mix and my spicy delicious masala muli is ready to serve. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and see you soon in my next episode. For more such exciting recipes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. Till then, stay fit and stay healthy. Bye bye.